topic, geckos. These are small and mostly carnivorous lizards that have wide distribution. They found everywhere in the continent except Antarctica region, and they are unique among lizards for their vocalizations. So they are capable of making hissing noises in the condition of alarm or threat situation. Plus, these geckos are usually nocturnal in the sense that they are active in night time. In prelims, they can ask with reference to geckos. These are the statements. They are nocturnal, they are diurnal, they can make hissing noises. So diurnal statement versus nocturnal statement, there can be confusion. So they are nocturnal. Battery can store heat and release in winters. So this kind of battery is developed by IIT Bombay and developed a solar powered thermochemical battery using strontium bromide, which can store summer heat and release it in freezing winter's time. So question can be asked in an indirect way that the elements can be used in battery making like cobalt, nickel, and with that this newly developed way of battery which works in winter season of element using strontium bromide. Here very interesting thing is that development of new blood group is been seen in French women from Caribbean island, and that new blood group is Guada negative. Till now you might have heard about AB and O blood groups. With this is a new blood group developed in French women because of maybe mutational reasons, genetic reasons, and because of this she is the only woman having this blood group, so she is compatible only with herself for blood transfusion conditions. Understand this short tandem repeats fundamentally. Short tandem repeats here are short tandem repeated DNA sequences involve a repetitive unit of 1 to 6 base pairs. So it is regarding repeated DNA sequence is about short tandem repeats, and because of its high mutation rates they are used in biological research. The Asian islands, the group of islands, right? Now, to the west it is Greece, to the Asian islands, and to the east it is Turkey. It is a news regarding major wildfires in Chios. Regarding mango, it is a tree considered indigenous to southern Asia, especially Myanmar and Assam state of India and other southern states of India, and it is rich in vitamin A, C and D, and tree is evergreen. So question can be asked, there are two columns of table where one side mango and another side it can be written as it is evergreen tree or it is dry woody shrub, or woody shrub, like that conditions can be given. State of the climate in Asia 2024. Now this report warns that the region is warming twice as fast as the global average, and driving more extreme weather conditions, which is serious threat to lives, ecosystems and economies. So this is the insight of this report, State of the Climate in Asia 2024. First malaria vaccine RTS. Regarding this, the development is Bharat Biotech International. They start supplying world's first malaria vaccine RTS, developed by Global Biopharma major GSK to Vaccine Alliance Gavi from 2026. Now it is a situation to observe regarding economy, where stock markets tumble in early trade because of tensions in Middle East. Now this stock market stumble appeared in Asian markets, South Korea's Kospi, Japan's Nikkei 225 and Hong Kong's Hang Seng were trading lower. With this, comparatively see Shanghai's SSC Composite Index, which is quoted marginally higher. So you have to just observe that because of some tensions in Middle East, after US bombarded 3 major nuclear sites in Iran, how this tension in particular region impacted other stock markets in worldwide. The central government health scheme directorate. You have to focus here, directorate. The central government health scheme directorate is the administrative body which are responsible for managing and overseeing the central government health schemes in India. So it is attached office of the Department of Health and Family Welfare. So 2 columns can be given in prelims exam, and one side it will written Central Government Health Scheme Directorate, and another column it will be written it is attached office of Department of Health and Family Welfare, or it can be written in a wrong statement, it is a attached office of the Home Ministry. Enhanced rock weathering. It is actually kind of a technique which captures carbon and store it in rocks. So storing of carbon in rocks is what enhanced rock weathering technique is.